Good morning, my dear friends. Today I want to tell you the different ways to defeat the corona. I myself a sufferer of this infection, but I don't panic during the situation. If you stay positive, then definitely you will get the good results. What I had done, that is there mentioned in this. So I want to take the disclaimer because you have to follow the medical advice and doctor as well. Drink hot milk with small pinch of turmeric. This is very helpful because the turmeric is having septic or antiviral, antibacterial quality, which enhance your ability to fight with all kind of bacteria and viruses. So it should be in your habit during infection. Use have one pinch of turmeric with hot milk. Drink 2 glass lukewarm water early in the morning. This is also one of the good habit. You should always drink lukewarm water early in the morning. It is good to make your motion clear, and it's also remove unwanted material in our stomach, as well as if you are infected, then throughout the infection you need to drink hot water, and with 2 teaspoons of honey and lemon, it will enhance the quality of your water. If you drink honey and lemon, it will enhance your level of vitamin and B12 or B complex. Almonds is also good to eat 5 to 10 daily because almonds is a good source of protein and vitamins. As you had heard the sayings, the almonds keep a doctor away. Use more and more protein based diet. So as you know, the coronavirus can be eliminated by the protein, so we have to use high protein based food like almonds, egg, paneer, which we can say cheese, pumpkin seed, sprouts, chicken, millets, milk, broccoli, peanuts, and many more. We can say millets, oats are the good source of protein, so we have to keep this in our daily routine, in our daily diet chart, so it helps to eliminate such kind of viruses and strengthen your body. Use herbal kaढ़ा. This is a one of a good thing to immunize yourself, to increase your immunity level. So here we want to explain that aloe vera, ginseng, which can said to be ashwagandha, giloy, tulsi, we can take their juice, or we can prepare a kaढ़ा in which we can have black pepper of 5 to 6, 1 clove, small piece of ginger, cinnamon, and boil 3 cup of water, and until it's remain 2 cup of water. You can add some honey for the taste, otherwise you can take it without honey. So this herbal kaढ़ा is, we can say, one of the best to immunize your body, to give strength to your body, to fight with viruses and bacteria. And during such situation when you are infected, then you can go for the medicated gargles, or it may be betadine, cepladine. But if you are not having such gargle medicine, then you can use a common salt along with lukewarm water. So it will remove some choking elements, it will remove some virus and bacteria from your throat congestions. It will help you to breathe smoothly, and it removes some viruses and bacteria from your throat. Home remedy, the best I had on my own experience. It is very simple to prepare this remedy, because you need what that we can say resin. It is known as monakka resin with the seeds. We have to remove these seeds, and then you can add some amount of black pepper. I want to tell you, when we have 10 to 15 monakka resin, then you can take 8 to 10 black pepper and mash them in a convert them in a powder, or you can use a black pepper powder, half of the teaspoon, and 1 or 2 pinch of salt as well. You mash them very good, we can say in certain in a vessel. You can mash with a complete mash, and then make it a roll like a ball, and then use a fork and roasted it. After roasting, you can use that, and you can choose, you can keep it in your mouth and get the juice of that, and it will immune your entire body system, because black pepper is having the antiviral and antibacterial qualities, as well as the resin help you to immunize your system. It will enhance your immunity power. Inhale hot water vapor, that is also helpful when we have the nose choking, or we have some throat choking, and that we can use. You can use simple water vapors, or you can use Amritdhara, which is made up of the Bhimseni Kapoor, Ajwain Sad, Pudina Sad, Long Tail, Loha Basman, Nilgiri Tail. That can be used, or you can use the eucalyptus leaves, or you can use the carom seeds while you are having hot vapors, because they also increase the aroma of water vapors, and this also help you to remove any choking and clear the breathing nostrils. And the use of green tea and eat millets, I'd already explained, but green tea is also an having the good antioxidants, which will enhance your power of oxidations, and it can give you boost in your energy. It also helps to we can say a positive effect on your lungs. It just helps lungs to remove any kinds of obstacles there in the respiration. So you can use the millets glucose gain, and because they are full of calcium, protein, and good for the muscles. The ninth one, the eat apple, citrus fruit, and seasonal fruits. This is also one of the good habit to eat an apple. An apple keeps the doctor away, because the good source of B12, or you can say B complex, along with the vitamins and minerals found in the apple, as well as citrus fruits like orange, lemon, sweet lemon, grapes, figs. There's also good source of vitamin C and aspartic acid, which is also helpful to digest and to healthen your immune system, to strengthen your immune system. Seasonal fruits like banana, mango. Seasonal fruits also increase the antioxidant and oxidation level of your body, and they also help body to retain its strength. And the most important part of our bar exercise, that is the physical activity. You should have the morning walk for 4 to 5 kilometers regularly, as well as have the 10 to 15 minutes deep breathing, or we can say Anulom Vilom. From right nostril you take the inhale, and from left you exhale, from left you inhale, exhale from right side. You have to repeat this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes, or you can use this 5 to 10 cycles, as well as the long and deep breathing. This exercise will help you to increase your oxygen level of the body, and this physical activities also enhance the stamina of body, or inhaling and exhaling of the deep breathing increase the stamina of your lungs. And the deep breathing and yoga meditation is also one of the, because stretching is given flexibility and agility of your body. It increase your endurance, and it also increase your excretion of dead cells, toxic material from your body, and it will oxidize your body, and also secrete good hormones which give an happiness, peace and good mood. And with the help of meditation you can recollect your energy, your willpower, and stimulate your immune system. And this meditation help you to fight with any kind of viruses and bacteria. Keep yourself away from negative news. Is very much important what we think that will happen, because our mind is most powerful thing in the whole world. If we think the virus is inside our body, then definitely there's no virus, then it is created by our mind. If we think there's no virus in our body, then if there is, it is, then the mind will fight with that virus and make it out. So our positive attitude, willpower, energy, that matters a lot. So always stay healthy. You need a positive attitude, and for that you should hear and look forward for the positive news instead of taking the news or negative news. Entertain yourself with music, comedy shows and something else like reading of the good literature. So you should not take it an opportunity to that I am not getting the job, I am not working at all, I am at home, I am feeling bored. It's your state of mind. You can read good books, that is also available on the different platforms. You can go for the comedy shows, you can laugh a lot, because laughing is the best exercise I feel. So, and tuning with the music is also good to change your mood, and it's a good vibration created in our mind. It's scientifically proved that if we get some music, then definitely our temperament, our thinking, our decision making, our state of mind is totally changed with the good music. So with the interesting good stories, it is we can say there's a great saying, man ke hare hare, man ke jeete jeet. If your willpower is strong enough, then definitely you will win the race. If your willpower is weak, then definitely you have to lose the race of life and death. So use a good music system and all that. Use sanitizer, hand wash and wear a mask. This is very much issued by the government, because it is a necessary part of our daily routine. We have to sanitize again and again, so the virus and bacteria cannot be infected the other family members, not yourself. And we have to keep washing our hands, because by washing our hand there's a lot of chance that we can remove the viruses and bacteria from our close contact. And by wearing mask, we not allowed the virus and bacteria to enter our body. So this is also a good practice. The worst and the important list I want to say that the most important, keep yourself away from gathering. So a human being is a social animal, so you try to gather and each and every occasion. So but for this pandemic, it is our suggestion, or it's our humble request to each and everybody that avoid wedding functions, because it's very much entertaining. It is good to join the wedding of our family members. And second one is the rallies, we can say public protest and rallies, and for election purposes we should avoid these gatherings, because when there is a large gathering, there the chance of infection is more, because the probability increase when you're coming in contact with the more people. Public places where we have a lot of people, we try to avoid such places. Markets we have to avoid. Malls and big cinema halls with large gathering we have to avoid, because we have avoiding all these things will certainly reduce our chance to get infected. This is all in this video. I wish you have good health, and thanks a lot.